Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to transfer data from iPhone to Android in two free ways. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Settings app on your iPhone device, then simply tap on your name on the top of your screen. After you tap on your name, tap on the iCloud and tap on the iCloud backup and make sure it is toggled on. Now go back to the iCloud and choose the apps you wish to transfer to your Android device. Remember to choose only the apps you wish to transfer to your Android device before initiating the backup. After selecting the desired apps, proceed with the backup process. As you see, I have chosen my desired apps to be copied for my Android devices. Now, after you are done with it, go back to the iCloud backup again. Then simply tap on the Backup Now option. Navigate to the backup section with the Android device's settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Bring data from old device and tap on it. After you tap on it, you will get to see Get Connected option. Tap on the iPhone/iPad option, then simply tap on the Connect wirelessly to iCloud. Now all you have to do is enter your email and password of your iCloud and simply proceed with it, and it will transfer all your iPhone data that you copied to your Android. Now the another way is WhatsApp transfer alternative. So to do that, simply connect your iPhone and Android devices with your PC by using cable. Then you can easily transfer your data from iPhone to Android. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.